can see me. I'm always in this fucking shirt. I don't like people funky. That's one allegation nobody ever said. People don't talk so much shit about me in my life. One thing ain't nobody never said is, oh, that girl stink.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do my summer hygiene routine video. The reason I'm doing a summer hygiene video is because it is summertime, it's hot as hell, and one thing I don't play about is smelling good. I don't like to be smelling nothing. I don't like to smell body odor. I don't like to smell myself, nobody else. I'm not gonna be too nice about it. If I smell somebody, I will tell you like, you a little funkier. You know, I will make a little face or a little like, oh, it's a little tart over here.
What the fuck is that smell?
But I don't play that. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna show you guys my summer hygiene routine. I had to perfect this because it's hot as hell and I be in the heat, and like I said, I don't want to smell myself or others. So, and I don't want no stink allegations on me. So one thing I don't play about is my hygiene. So I'm in the bathroom because I feel like this is fitting. This is where you wash up, and this is step one, washing up. So if you're interested in, you know, hearing what I gotta say, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so like I said, I don't play no stinking allegations. I don't like people funky. That's one allegation nobody ever said. People don't talk so much shit about me in my life. One thing ain't nobody never says, oh, that girl stink. That's one allegation I don't play with. First off, first step, we in the bathroom, right? Shower, wash up. And this is what I wash up with, the Dettol bar. Okay, let me tell y'all something. This is the antibacterial. You see that? Hold on. Antibacterial. This is the original scent. Y'all see? First off, let me say, I wash up with a bar of soap. I've been doing this for like the last year or so, but I used to be heavy on like shower gels and stuff, and I still would smell good. But I feel like with the antibacterial soap, you really smell good, because I feel like with shower gel, this is a shower gel dial, it's half used, but this is in my shower, right? Because I'll be washing up. So if you was to use like a shower gel, I feel like it brings moisture into your skin. You can see how it says like with vitamin E. I feel like it brings moisture. But I feel like with a bar of soap, especially an antibacterial soap, it really scrubs the dirt off you to where your skin is dry. And then once your skin is dry, after you done scrubbed all the dirt, the sweat, the, you know, bacteria from the day and sitting down or wherever you're at, because everybody works in different industries or go to school in certain environments. So once I feel like you get all the dirt, the grime, the grease off you with this, your skin is a little dry. This is when you go on with a body gel. I use a body gel second because the body gel brings back like moisture and oil to my skin. But first, I start off with this. This is the Dettol one. I either use the Dove one too, the original Dove, but this is my favorite because it's antibacterial. I know some people also use the Gold bar, but I stick to this. I swear by this. I use this because you need to make sure that like you get all that sweat, dirt, grime off of you, and make sure that you're not just like moisturizing dirt into your skin. I feel like with the shower gel, I sometimes just feel like you moisturizing dirt in your skin, but this is gonna strip you of all your oils, dirt, everything. And then that's when I said you go on with this, because this is gonna bring back hydration and moisture, and also it makes you smell extra good. But yes, this is step one. Use an antibacterial soap. You have to find one that works well with your skin, because I do know some people have sensitive skin, but this is what works for me, this Dettol. And then I go in with the shower gel of any kind. It could be Dial, it could be Bath and Body Works, but this first to get off all the dirt and sweat and everything. So yeah, that's step one. Make sure that you really use this. Scrub your body from top to bottom, behind your ears, your neck, your body, under your arms. If you have an innie, I have an innie. Do you ever wash your belly button? Because I wash mine, like I get in there and I take my finger and I swirl and dig up in my belly button. I don't know, like you have to wash every crack and crevice at all times, but especially right now because it's summertime and it's like 90 degrees. You don't want to be stinking. So yeah, a lot of people don't have good hygiene practices. Watch this video, share this video, and it'll help them. But yeah, get you an antibacterial soap, and then if you want to, this is optional, you don't have to go back in, because after you use this soap you're clean as hell. But if you want like just a little more extra scent and you want a little bit more moisture into your body, use a shower gel. So yeah, this is what I use to cleanse. After you get out the shower, so that's step one, you wash up, you get out the shower. Now you get out the shower, you dry off, or you let yourself air dry, whatever you decide. Now it's time for moisture. This is baby lotion. You have to use whatever lotion feels right for your skin. So what I use for my skin to moisturize is baby lotion, or like Palmer's or something. This works wonders. I love the smell of it. It's just the Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. I have to get the original baby lotion, which is this one. I don't like that Baby Magic. It's too watery and I feel like I'm just slapping water all over my skin. I don't like it. So I like this because of the consistency. If you use baby lotion, you know it's thick, it's a little heavy, but I love it and it smells good and it lasts. And I feel like if it's good for babies, then it's good for you. But yeah, this is what I use for lotion, baby lotion. Johnson & Johnson, you get this at a Walmart, Target. I typically get mine in bulk from BJ's. It's like $6.99 for the super big one. So yeah, and it lasts you for months. So yeah, use, you know, Johnson & Johnson to moisturize the skin, or whatever lotion you use, Bath and Body Works and stuff like that. But I just feel like this really just makes my skin come alive and it has like a little glow to it. So yeah, baby lotion. Now on to the next step. So the next step is, obviously after that, I put on deodorant. So the deodorant I use is Dove. I'm big on staying with the basics. All those fancy deodorants, those natives, the natives had me smelling right. I'm not gonna lie, those natural deodorants, no aluminum, it ain't for me. And I know people be like, you gotta detox and you gotta do, no, N-O. I stuck with the basics. So I use this is the Dove Original Clean. I stick with the basics. This is the Dove. I put it on, you know, up under my arms. Use Dove Original. I love this scent. I don't like fruity scents because I don't like the smell of like fruity scents up under my armpits, because if I do sweat, I don't want to smell like sweat and cucumbers or sweat and sweet peach. I don't want to smell that. So I just like Original Clean. I feel like it's also stronger and I just feel like it lasts longer. So I just use the original scent Dove. Then I double up. Then I use this Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray Powder Soft. It's called Powder Soft. Like I said, I like the fresh scents, the linens, the powders, the original scents. And I use this. It's just this Dove spray. I use this. So after I go on with this, I go over this and I just spray some on top of this deodorant. It makes me last all day, smell good. It doesn't clog my pores. I smell so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I swear by this. You can also use this all over your body. Sometimes I spray this under my boobs because I am top heavy. I have big boobs. So I do spray up under my boobs and just spray like my stomach and where I sweat a lot. Just in case, because you want to make sure you smell good. It doesn't affect my skin, it doesn't bother me, but I know everybody has different skin types, so you have to do what works best for you. But I use both of these, so this first and then this. And I know they have all over body sprays now, but if you don't want to invest in that and you just have the sprays, but if you have some of this just laying around, use this. So this first and then double up with this. My next thing that I use is powder. So I use baby powder. This is the talc-free baby powder, pure cornstarch. So I know that people don't use, you know, baby powder because of the lawsuits and all of those things a couple years ago, but it was because of the talc in the powder. So I got a talc-free powder. It's pure cornstarch. So I use this. It's by Baby Love is the brand. And I just put it all down my chest, like literally I pour it down my shirt just like that. Y'all see the powder? Just like that. And if I'm sweaty, and it has a scent to it, so it smells good, but I just rub it all on my skin between my boobs. I put it under my boobs because, like I said, I have really big boobs. Put it on my boobs. I put it down there in my private areas, on my butt, like anywhere I sweat I put it, because I don't want to sweat. So it helps alleviate with sweat, and it also helps alleviate body odor. So like if you are a person that's extremely sweaty, this has a scent to it. So not only is it going to absorb the sweat, but it also has a scent, so you smell good, like you walking around just with powder. And I literally have done this my whole life. Like my mom been doing this since I was young, like put powder on, put powder on, put powder on. So I put some baby powder on. Love baby powder. My mom puts baby powder in her shoes too, because she don't want her feet to stink and stuff like that. And that's a good practice too. Like, so if you have sweaty feet, put powder, because it is going to absorb some of the sweat, and also you're not going to smell funky or anything because it has a little scent to it. So you still smell good, you smell fresh, and it's absorbing all of the sweat oils. So yes, I use baby powder. My final step after I've done all that, I've lotion, put deodorant, powder, washed up, all those things, I use a body mist. And now what I do is I use this Bath and Body Works Magic in the Air. This is my favorite one. I put this on my skin, right? Like as I'm standing there naked, I will spray this on my body, And then when I put my clothes on, that's when I put perfume, actual perfume, because there's a difference between body mist and perfume. This doesn't last long. Perfume lasts a little longer, but I put it all over my skin. You don't have to do this. This is extremely optional. So I put it all over my body, and then I go about my business after that. And then I put perfume on at the end. I put it on my wrist and all that stuff, and on my clothes. That's when I put perfume, which is longer lasting. But yeah, that's it. That's all. That's my hygiene routine. I hope I didn't keep you guys too long. Nothing too crazy. Wash up with soap, antibacterial soap, and then you can use shower gel if you want. If not, the antibacterial soap is enough. Lotion, put, you know, deodorant, put powder, and that's it. Nothing too crazy. I know a lot of people don't like to have a bunch of oils and stuff on because it is summer and you're sweaty, but this is the basics, and this is how I smell good all day long, especially because I am thicker and I also have big boobs. Those are the things that I use to smell good all day, every day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next one. Share this video to who you feel like it will benefit, and I want to thank you guys for being here. Bye.